Hi, my name is Eric McFarland with Galley Yacht Sales. I'm going to take you on a tour today of our 2017 Sea Ray 400 Flybridge. But before we get started, I'd like to go through three reasons that make this the #1 selling 40-foot yacht on the market over the past 10 years. The first one is just the sheer volume that's inside the cabin area. It's got the volume of most 45-foot yachts on the market today. The next one is the decor. When you go in, it's just got a fabulous decor in it. You'll see nice hardwood floors, high gloss cabinetry work. And the third reason is you're going to see is the layout. As we get into the Salon, you're just going to see a gorgeous layout that every consumer is going to love. Let's take a look, shall we? Coming down into the cockpit area, the first thing you're going to notice is an extended swim platform here. It's got a tender bracket on the back. You've got a nice summer kitchen here. To starboard is where your shore power cord hookup is and water inlet. You've got stereo speakers on the transom. You step up into the cockpit. You're going to see a nice L-shaped seat here. It's a nice teak table. Seagrass carpeting. Another little storage area. And best of all, staircase going up. It's not a ladder. Let's take a look up here at the Flybridge. Coming up to the bridge, you have a nice L-shaped seating area with another teak table here. You've got dual passenger seating with a flip-flop backrest. Storage on your starboard side. Your helm is port side with two 12-inch Raytheon screens, exactly the same as down below. You've got rocker switches, you've got your bow and stern thruster, Morse controls, your Rockford Fosgate stereo. You've got a nice helm seat, little wet bar with ice maker, and then you've got a hatch for your stairway. And moving forward, you have a sun pad, you have fender holders with fenders, large bow rail, windlass anchor, remote spotlight. You've even got a cover for the forward windshield. Just a beautiful setting, and also a beautiful day out. All right, as you come into the Salon area, you're going to notice all three of the items that I mentioned in the introduction. The first thing you're going to notice is just the sheer volume that's inside this boat. It gives you the room of just about any 45-foot yacht on the market. Next thing you're going to notice is the decor of the boat. You've got gorgeous flooring inside here, beautiful cabinet, high finish cabinetry in here. You've got a double wide helm seat and a huge window surrounding the boat, as well as a full-size glass entry inside the Salon here. So let's take a little bit closer look, shall we? So here we have the lounge area. Starboard side. You also have a double lounge area port side, LG TV, cabinets below. Moving forward, you can see the galley to port. You have your sink, stove, refrigerator, microwave and convection oven. You have your double wide seating area. Down below you have an ice maker, you have cup holders. Moving up to the helm here, you've got dual 12-inch Raymarine screens, your Rockford Fosgate stereo, rocker switches, VHF radio, your Morse controls, and the most important thing is your bow and stern thruster. Moving forward, you have your master stateroom forward, and to starboard, you have your mid-stateroom, and to port, you have your head area. As you come into the master, you'll notice lots of space between the bulkhead and the berth. You've got a queen size berth here with LG TV 24-inch, and you've got a nice hanging closet to port. And as you come around to starboard, you'll notice a very nice storage area here, but you got a hanging closet, you've got shelves, you've got a pull-out seat, and a pull-out vanity. You also have huge windows throughout. It's going to give you great visibility in the master. down into the mid-stateroom here, you're going to notice two berths. What's nice about those two berths is you can slide them together and make yourself a nice queen-size bed. You got your LG TV, and you've got a nice long storage cabinet, and then you've also got a nice hanging cabinet inside your mid-stateroom. As you go into the head area, you notice you got a nice sink with a full-size cabinet underneath. You've got a nice huge window with opening port window as well. Mirrors up top. You've got your head, vacuum flush head. You've got a nice full shower with a nice clear circular door. And then you've got a nice custom flooring. And that's your head area. Looking into the engine room here, you got 6.7 Cummins engines. They're V drives, not pods. Kohler generator with about 410 hours. You've got a Glendenning electric shore power cord, Raycor filters with a reverso oil change system, your sea strainers, bilge pumps. All right, well that just about wraps up our walkthrough on the 400 Sea Ray for today. There is just a few more items that I would like to go over before I leave you. Those items are the difference between this yacht and all the other 400 Sea Rays that are for sale on the market today. The first item is a fiberglass hardtop. The fiberglass hardtop versus a bimini top. Most of this 400 Sea Rays have bimini tops. Get out in high seas, high winds, that top's going to float around, make a lot of noise. The other thing is the V-drive engines. This has V-drive engines versus the pods. A lot of people like the V-drives because of ease of maintenance and cost of maintenance. The third thing is the seller. But not only is the seller a fantastic guy, I've gotten to know him over the last 4 years. He's the type of guy that spares no expense to take care of his vessels. He's done a lot to this particular boat. He's got the satellite TV. He's added a FLIR camera to it. He's serviced the turbos. He's serviced the aftercoolers, the heat exchangers. He's done an oil change, and he's also changed the oil on the generator. So this boat is turnkey and ready to go. So that about covers everything on the 400 Sea Ray for today.